so great.
I hear this one.
That was awesome.
Oh God. That was so awesome.
That's the one.
Woo-wee.
That is the one.
That was so amazing.
You liked it?
Did you feel that?
Feel what?
That whole pop?
I didn't feel anything.
You heard it.
How it feels.
Wow, that was amazing. I feel so much better already.
Awesome. Such a satisfying.
Yes, it's like a release of like air. And plus I've been stressed a lot with work, so it's probably a lot of that. And then yesterday I was driving in my car all day.
That.
Literally did all of Brian Irvin here in my pot.
Yeah.